kids! Ooh, what time is it? It's time for school! Yay! Let's start by drawing a rectangle for the sign. Do you know how to spell school? Like this. A circle above it for the clock. A triangle roof, rectangle middle, and front door. Some steps. And either side of the roof and the main building. Some windows. 6 windows on each side. It's a big school, you know. We need lots of classrooms. Some detail on the roof. We're adding some tiles. Just do some diagonal lines and then squiggly lines over the top. Right, we are darkening up the border, ready to paint. Let's go for red. Red for our roof, for the front part, of course. And the tiles. This looks really cool. I love it. What's your favourite subject in school? I always really liked science. I love learning about planets and the solar system. Isn't it amazing? Oh, and cooking. Cooking is fun too, don't you think? Maybe your school could have a big playground or even a swimming pool. Think of all the things you could add to your school. Right, let's go for yellow now. We're painting the sides of the building yellow, going around your rectangular windows carefully. So we're using a small tipped paintbrush to do this. Other side. Yellow and red look great together, don't you think? I'd say they're best friends. And we're done. Let's go for blue windows. Now it looks like nice shiny glass. That's it. Lovely. Gold for the middle part. Carefully painting around the clock and the school sign, of course. So how do we spell school? S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Now brown for our door because it's made of wood. And some green steps. Lovely. And there you have it. Oh look, school's out. It's time to go home. Look at what a cool picture you made. Cool school.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art.